Welcome on my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll show how to make a random quote generator using Python only. In total, 5 quotes generated each time. After a quote generated in terminal, opening another window, we need to click on next quote button to generate next random quote. So now let me show you how to make. First, import request. Import tkinter as tk from threading. Import thread, word thread from capital letter. API equal to http api.quotable.io/random. This available on GitHub. Quotes equal to square brackets and quote number equal to 0. Window equal to tk dot and tk from capital. Window.geometry will be 1280 pixels on 720 pixels. Otherwise, if not to mention window size, it will be displayed in small window size. Window.grid column configuration 0 and weight equal to 1, and window.configure added color, which is highlighter pink color code. Def load the quote global quotes for I in range of 5. This 5 means only 5 quotes will be generated each time. Here number could be smaller or bigger, up to you. New quote equal to request.getAPI.json. Content equal to new quote content and author equal to new quote author. Quote equal to content by an added author name and print content. Quotes.append quote and print 5 quotes are loaded and load the quote. Def lone random quote, global quote label, global quotes and global quote number. Quote label dot configure wherever text equal to quote and quote number. Every time when new quote will be displayed will be added +1. Print quote number. If quotes and quote number add equality operator, quotes -3, thread equal to thread, target equal to load the quote, thread.start. Quote label equal to tk.label window, text will be displayed. Click on next quote and next quote will be displayed as a button. Height 15, font Vedanta and font size 24. Quote label dot grid row 0, column 0, padding x 20 and padding y also 20. Button equal to tk dot button. Text will be displayed next quote. Command equal to load random quote. Text will be displayed in white color with bright pink background. On click, color will be changing from white to blush pink and font will be the same, Verdana, but it will be slightly smaller in size. Instead of 24, it will be 20. Button.grid row 1, column 0, padding x 350 and padding y 5. Here 350 padding to make a button appear smaller and not to be 1280 pixels width. Let's click on Run Python file. Terminal window will be opened with 5 randomly generated phrases and others. Wherever I need to click on next quote, so quote will be displayed. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Please consider subscribing, press like button. If you have any comments, write it in comment section and I will reply on it.